specially built for cutting through poultry, ribs, crab, and other tough meats and bone. These professional poultry shears are any serious griller's must-have. Designed to be easily used, the professional poultry shears feature spring tension for improved control and comfort. The curved and serrated blade makes easy work when sectioning meat, letting you cut with precision, no matter the meat. Fully stainless steel tang and blades ensure that these shears stand up to whatever you throw at them, while the riveted handles provide a comfortable grip for everyone. We recommend hand washing to make sure your shears stay in peak working order. So whether you're a kitchen gadget enthusiast or looking for a more efficient way to prep, Napoleon's professional poultry shears are the perfect accessory.